Many employees work every day without clear career direction. This can make them feel unmotivated and unsure about their future.
So, what is career planning?
Career planning is the process of helping employees set career goals, improve their skills, and grow within an organization.
But why is career planning important?
Career planning is important because it helps employees stay motivated, improve their potential, and prepare for better career opportunities in the future. Now, let's look at the importance of career planning that benefits the organization. First, retention. Employees are more likely to stay in a company that makes them feel valued and supported.
Career planning help employees improve skills and prepare for future roles. It supports organizational growth by ensuring skilled workers are ready during expansion and digitalization. It also helps employees adapt faster and achieve company goals.
Third point, career planning also helps build for future leaders. So, when employees know they have opportunity to grow in the company, they will improve themselves and prepare for the future higher position.
SMEs can support career planning in many ways. They can provide training to improve employee skills, encourage mentoring from experienced staff, and have regular career discussions with the employees. These small steps can help them to stay motivated and stay grow in the company.
Berdasarkan video ini, menunjukkan bahawa training and development sangat penting dan patut dilakukan kerana dapat meningkatkan kemahiran dan prestasi pekerja serta dapat memberi motivasi kepada pekerja untuk terus bekerja. Ini kerana apabila pekerja bekerja tanpa memberi sebarang latihan, ia akan menjadikan pekerja tersebut tidak bersemangat kerana tiada pengetahuan tentang sesuatu pekerjaan.
Video awareness ini dapat memberi impak yang positif kepada penonton dalam memahami kepentingan training dan development dengan gaya yang tidak membosankan dan kreatif.
So, what is the risk for not hiring? First is more work for employee and second is company slowly grow. In conclusion, career planning helps employee improve their own skill for the future while company enjoying the benefit. So, companies should give all the opportunities to everyone so that everyone has their own chance to success.